Stewie is having a face-off with Shadow.
What's Shadow doing? Just staring at him.
Shadow looking at me like, is this turtle serious?
Like, you do not want these problems, man. You're like, back down. Go sit down.
You want to see what happens if you come in here, Courtney? See what happens.
Wow. What?
See, now he like, Stewie, you can get your butt back up in the...
Stewie's neck is poking out big time.
He ready for war with Shadow. Uh-oh. Look at Shadow. Yeah, I see. I knew you was finna go back in your shell, punk.
Shadow, like, he stinks.
Stewie stuck his head back out.
Shadow. Hey, Shadow, bet you. The turtle was getting on your nerves, Shadow. Shadow like y'all playing games. Ugh.
Go sit down. Go sit down.
Shadow,
Go sit down.
What?
You gonna sit in your chair, Courtney, or you good for the day?
I'm gonna sit in my chair.
When you feel like it or when I tell you to?
You need to be quiet. I'm not gonna go sit because you told me.
You ain't Shadow, huh? You heard what she said, Shadow? She said she ain't you. Like that's a negative thing. Get her. Where Courtney at, Shadow? Go get her. Go get Courtney. Get her.
Wow.
What did you just break, genius?
I wasted some water.
Get her. Where Courtney at? Go get Courtney, Shadow. Call Courtney. Courtney. You just sleep in your eye, bro. That's crazy, man. What you smelling is brick. Brick. Come here, Brick. Brick. You're like, he better not be here. Look at Stewie. Hey, Stewie. Hey, Stewie. What, I can't call Stewie? Come here, Stewie. Come here, Stewie. Stewie. And my birds. Hey, y'all. Hi. Hi. My birds don't play no games. They're weirdos. Like, bro, I don't know what's this thing you got in your hand, but you can move it on out the way. And then I got my last pet, Courtney. Where did Stewie go? Oh, you tried. As soon as a brother turned his back on you, you got up out of there, huh?
Where'd he go?
You know where he going.
On my side.
Yeah. Come here, Stewie. Come here, Stewie. Come here, Stewie. Call for Stewie shot. Courtney, see what happens.
Stewie. Matter of fact, Stewie, Move. Oh, he gonna jump in his shit.
Call for Stewie.
Stewie. Stewie.
Shadow look like my cousin Rico. And he think that's a plus. That's a good thing. Like, I'm human. Nah, bro, you're not human. Let's get that understanding. Who's better, humans or dogs? Or do it depends?
It really depends.
Shadow, who better, human or dogs? Or do it depends? Huh? Yeah.
Depends on yeah.
Where Brick at? Brick. Brick. Brick.
Stewie turned around. He didn't come towards.
Stewie finna creep up on Shadow from the back. Watch how Shadow gonna be scared like a little coward. Watch this. Hey. He coming to get him.
Be nice.
Shadow playing with Stewie, pushing him out the way. Thank you for bringing Stewie to me, Shadow.
I've never seen Shadow do that before.
Thank you, Shadow. All right, watch out. I will reward you with some. What, you got some of that summer sausage still, Courtney?
Yeah.
But you're not rewardable. That's the only thing. You're not rewardable. Remember, you chose to. He used to deny food as a reward. He just want affection.
Shadow's rewardable. He's a cute little dog. Shadow has done so much better from when he first came.
Go to Courtney. Shadow. Go to Courtney.
Shadow. I wish you would leave Shadow alone when he was doing his own thing. Oh Lord, Larry, don't let him scare Stewie too bad.
Stewie done closed his shell up on that dog. He closed. And nothing he can do. Look at him. Shadow look disappointed. Like, I just wanted to play with Stewie. Stewie will close up in a microsecond on Shadow. That's the ending of it.
He kind of peeked his head out. Shadow moved toward him and he flipped his head back in.
Shadow and Stewie and Bluey and Green Guard. That's a new song. Shadow and Stewie and Bluey and Green Guard. Courtney. Don't forget her. So that Honey Pets is that. Now Shadow. What's up, Green Guard? He wants some attention now. Now they want some attention. I ain't finna be playing with each other. They finna tongue kiss. I find it gross. Ugh.
They're feeding and cleaning each other.
Oh, I didn't know you was the birdologist now.
I'm not.
Well, who's more of a birdologist, me or you?
Someone else.
Nah, I said between me and you.
I'm not gonna call you a birdologist.
Courtney a hater, as y'all can see.
You have studied, yes.
Okay, give me my propers. Mm-hmm. See, how many people can do this with birds? Answer me that, Courtney. Oh, you better cut that down a little bit. Come on. You got him green go like, I come. I want to come, but I don't usually come this way. I gotta take that. Thank you. Bluey always trying to get some. Watch out. So my strategy, I told Courtney, my strategy is to only give, what's this called? Mullet spray to green guard. To make Bluey jealous. Right? And then Bluey will naturally become, wanting to be my friend. I asked Courtney, was that a good idea? And she said, nope. Or did you say, yeah? You said it's a good idea, Courtney, my bad.
No, I said, no, it's not.
Why not?
Because that's being mean.
What's being mean about it?
That's mean. Because the bird isn't into you like that.
Bluey?
You gotta give him time.
Oh, yeah, she's the birdologist now. I told y'all that. She's a complete ologist. No, she's not an ologist. I'm an ologist. Basically, that means someone that knows about everything. True, false, right or wrong, Courtney?
Whatever.
Look at Shadow. Man, tell me, where can you find a dog that look like this by the rear end? It's weird how he stretches out like that. He been stretching like that forever. Look at what they do.
He is not the first doggy that does that.
What I normally do is take a toy away from them that I see that they really like. And all of this is strategy. What? The strategy is to make them like me. Focus on me. What they call that thing when you become in love with your kidnapper? You know what I'm talking about, Courtney?
Yeah, I've heard of it before.
That's psychology.
I don't know what it's called.
But this strategy is better than the strategy of force helplessness. That's what Shadow got. He got forced helplessness. And look what he resorted to. See what I'm saying? Hey, Shadow. Hey, Shadow. See, this when they go into they foolishness right here. Watch this. Now the cage is open for them to leave out. But why won't they leave out, Courtney?
Cause Shadow moving around. And then they love their cage. This is a home, their little apartment.
So what I'm gonna end up doing, y'all, I already had said this. If y'all don't know, I'm gonna get a separate cage, a little smaller cage for Bluey to go in. And so I can focus on Green Guard. And then when Green Guard is ready to love me, then I'll focus on Bluey. Then I'll put them back together. Basically, I'm going to break their bond and make it become my bond. And that's them saying, yes, that's a good idea. Ain't that right, Courtney?
I guess.
Did you hear the strategy?
Yeah, you're gonna get another cage and whatever.
And you don't think that's a good idea?
I guess.
Stewie is kind of chubby too. He finna go to his little side.
How can you say it was
Green guard just flied out the cage. He can fly back in. Bluey, is you coming out?
Stewie be making moves. You ain't gotta jump. I'm not gonna do nothing to him. I'm just looking.
And Green guard hop back on the cage. He finna go back in. Or he gonna end up climbing up there to mullet heaven. But he don't like to eat when he in mullet heaven. But what he can do is actually just come to this side and fly all the way out and fly back in. Don't try to squeeze in that way, bro. That look kind of tight. You'll get stuck. He ain't been out in... How long has it been, Courtney? See, this is where he messes up at. He went all the way to the other side.
Who hasn't been out?
Green guard. See? Now he finna fly back on in now. He can do it from here. He decides to go in the kitchen, but they wings been clipped, so he finna do nothing but fly back up in the cave.
Green guard can kind of fly though.
A little bit.
Yeah.
And he overplays his hand though. But Bluey just like, nah, I'm good on this situation. Why you don't just let him go back to his spot, Queen?
No, because yesterday he just sat on the cords and then it's all awkward trying to get him. And he don't know how to just sit in his little spot.
Bluey, you might as well come out too. See, Green Guard can fly. And Bluey then came back out. Green Guard is in the cage. We went back in the cage and Bluey then left out. Like, my turn. But see, Bluey, I got to get. Look at Shadow and Bluey. You're like, oh my gosh. I got to let the ladder out for Bluey to get back in. So let me let the ladder out. And Bluey ain't finna be able to fly back in. Eventually he will be, but yep, he ain't ready yet. So I just do this, and he come on by. He jump in. He gonna fly though for some reason. See? Now he finna get up in climb his little ladder. See all that. You got wings, but you don't use them. I have lazy pets. I'm just being honest with y'all. Shadow got legs, but he don't hardly want to run. See, you see what he doing? Crawling, laying around. He used to have, what's that sprinters thing when they run around, Courtney? When the dog sprints and run around. Doggy hyperness. Yeah. Zoomies. That's what they call it. I call it doggy hyperness. But
Look like you're stuck, Stewie.
I would say Stewie is more. Stewie can get out of that, Courtney. Why you always just leave it alone? He wanted to be like that. I always mess with something. Courtney always trying to make it easier for these animals. Now when I get my birds out there, make it easy for them. The chickens. Look at Shadow and Stewie. When them chickens out there, you gonna go out feed them?
Yeah.
You gonna throw them some seed? You gonna stand right here and throw it to them? Open up the window, throw it to them?
No. Make it out there. I mean, wow, Stewie is really moving.
I'm gonna get a what's it called? A skateboard. Someone had advised. That's smart. He can slide. roll around. I don't want to be bothered today, Stewie, man. Come on now. I need to let him out in the backyard for him to go hide. Look, Shadow ain't finna go for that, bro. I'm just telling you right now. No Shadow like, man. Look at me like, hey, you're getting too close to the home. I'm his home. Stewie finna go around the back and go chill in the back behind the chair. That's what he finna do. Look at Shadow. Shadow finna stop him.
As soon as he saw Shadow getting up, he was about to duck and hide.
Get him, Shadow. Get him. Stop him. Shadow, go get him. Get Stewie. Come here, Stewie. Come here, Stewie. Look, Shadow's so lazy. You supposed to be my sheepdog. Right. Thank you. This is my sheepdog, and this is my turtle dog. I'm gonna get more turtles. You like, yeah, stop. Quit trying to go over there, bro. You know you ain't supposed to be going behind there. Shadow's trying to train Stewie. You can make a sheepdog out of anything. Even something as lazy as this. Yeah. We out this piece, y'all. There go my little fish. Y'all already know the fish. My bad.
TV fish.
Nah, these ain't TV fish. It's real fish, y'all.
No, they're not.
Courtney hating like a big dog, boy. Now, what fish have you not seen that look like this? Do that look real or fake? Be real. I'll rest my case. Peace. Hold on, before I go. Say bye, Shadow. He got his arms crossed like he done with the whole situation.